And we'll begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! And the weapons are up to speed as they approach the center of the arena. Which robot will hit the other first, or will it be a weapon-to-weapon collision? It's a weapon-to-weapon collision, which sends both robots away. More Powah stops spinning, but spins up again. Bird of Prey kind of wobbling and vibrating a little bit there, and knocking a piece off of, I believe that was More Powah getting knocked out. No, that was a piece of Bird of Prey, because Bird of Prey was off balance. But the weapon's still spinning, and there goes a tire. More Powah with only one tire. The Bird of Prey still spinning. More Powah no longer has a weapon spinning. Bird of Prey hits it again. That stops its weapon cold. There spins up. More Powah trying to move. Tapping out. The winner, Bird of Prey. Bird of Prey hits More Powah's weapon, which has stopped spinning for the moment. But one of the tires on Bird of Prey is down loose. And there goes a couple of jumps. Let's try to take stock of that damage. Well, something on Bird of Prey has come loose, because Bird of Prey's blade is off balance now, so something that was a piece of Bird of Prey's blade that got knocked off. Looks like it was one of the steel tips that got knocked off. So now, when Bird of Prey tries to spin the blade, it wobbles around like that. More Powah has no weapon. And More Powah's having a little bit of trouble driving right now, it looks like. The countdown has begun on More Powah. It needs to move in 7 seconds, or else it will be knocked out. Okay, that's enough movement to count. Okay, it's still in it. Which means Bird of Prey has to continue to wiggle around the arena. Well, Bird of Prey can drive, it just can't drive while the weapon is working. More Powah will attempt to silence Bird of Prey. Well, both robots are still functional enough to keep this fight going.
Deixa dele, mexe mais não. Deixa. Para, economiza bateria, porra.
With 1 minute left in this fight. Countdown beginning now on Bird of Prey. They need to move in 7 seconds or they will be the ones counted out.
Não, delay! Não deixa o delay bater, não.
That's a knockout, though.